This quick video will explain how to measure, cut and fit the internal apex trims to the inside of your cabin. These trims go onto the apex walls where the apex meets the roof boards in order to cover any gaps between the two. To fit these, first hold up the trim to the space between the purlins and mark up the timber where the purlins are, including their angle. Cut the trims to size using a handsaw and then hold them up to the roof, securing them in place with 35mm screws into the roof. Make sure not to over-tighten the screw, as that could cause it to go through the roof.